Hello dear students, I am Ganesh Misra from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public Schools, subject teacher of SST. Today I am going to teach all of you the first chapter of history from class 9. I hope you all are fine and safe along with your family at your home in this pandemic situations. Most welcome to all of you. Let's start the chapter, the French Revolutions. So let's start with an introductory note. When we talk about the French revolutions, we remember the words like liberty, equality and fraternity. Nowadays in every country, every people are asking for having equality, no discrimination, fraternity. So every country is trying to provide its people the feeling of equality. They assures the freedom is provided to all its peoples irrespective of class, color, creed. So now we look into these three words. These three words even have a history, yet establishment of from the French Revolution. So the French Revolutions which happened in 1789 inspires many other countries in the coming year to fight for their freedom struggle. What is moment that gave rise for people to fight against their traditional monarchy? How did people fight? What are the consequences of this? Later, what happened? Later, what is the true story of the French Revolution? So, we will cover all these questions, answers of all these questions in this para in the first sections of the chapter, the French Revolution. So, let's start with an introductory note. With this flow chart, you will be able to easily make out that what happened on 14th of July in 1789. Dear students, the French Revolutions, it was on the date of 14th July of 1789. The entire state was on alarm. Entire state was on alarm means everybody was terrified. Why everybody was terrified? Why the every state was on alarm? What was the reason behind it? Let's study in detail. What happened actually on 14th July 1789? The 14th of July 1789 play a very vital role not only in the past but even today. This is observed as a national day in France. So what happened? Actually on 14th July there were rumors that the king has ordered the military to enter into the street and destroy the gathering. They were also expecting that the king might order the military to open fire on the people. On the background, the people actually gathers on that day for their protest towards the rise of the price of bread. The price rise of the bread was one of the problems. Actually, people actually struggling them a lot. Many of them are struggling to get even a single piece of bread. So that was the situations what the actual peoples are facing. Ignoring the situations, there were rumors which spread that the king has ordered the army to enter the state and then to destroy the gathering. If necessary, the king may also order open fire on these people. So the news spread like a wildfire and made the peoples very angry. Peoples become very angry with the words of the kings, being ignorant to the problem of the peoples and also forcing the peoples to terrify the peoples. He orders the militaries to enter the street, destroy the gathering. Literal words means the king do not pay any attention towards the problems of the peoples. So the peoples became very angry. As peoples are very angry, they all gathered, nearly 7,000 of men and women gathered together, and they formed their own group of force, popularly known as People's Militia. So nearly 7,000 of men and women joined together and they formed their own group of force, popularly known as People Militia. The People Militia, having 7,000 of force of men and women, which is comprising of men and women, went to the palace. The palace name is the Bastille Palace, which is has been as the symbol of royal power, or where those who are talking towards the favor of peoples, or those who did any hesitating against the kings, imprisoned there, are being imprisoned there. So there are nearly 7 peoples imprisoned in this Bastille Palace. In this Bastille Palace, peoples went there and destroyed the palace. They killed the commander, and finally they released the 7 prisoners imprisoned over there. Later they destroyed the palace, broke the palace wall into small fragments. People are so much angry that people started to celebrate it as a symbol of their freedoms. The fragment of the Bastille Palace is in everyone's house. People are so crazy sometimes that they even bought the stone of fragments in the markets. In the market. So on the day of 14th July 1789, the People's Militia attacked at the Bastille Palace and destroyed the palace into small fragments, released the 7 prisoners being imprisoned there, sold the small fragments in the market, which made the people very happy at that point of time. So dear students, this was a very rare incident which happens ever since in France became a monarchy state. So now the historian started to look it from different perspective. What triggered the people's angers on that day to that much extreme level? What made the people to be so violent? So now for us to understand this, we need to go in detail what happened actually on that day. Historians saw this as an outcome of series of events that led the peoples to come and blast the palace and break into pieces. After breaking it, they could not get satisfied they sold it in the market and the people bought it. So we need to understand here there is something which is a very strong feeling for the peoples, which made the people very bad, very bad that day. Very bad that day. That has raised the angers of the people. So let's find out in detail what are the series of events that happened and resulted on the issue on that day of 14 July 1789, as the people blasted the Bastille Palace in search of hoarded ammunitions. They killed the commander, broke the palace into small fragments, released the 7 prisoners imprisoned there. They have protested for the price rise of bread. And they could not get satisfied, only to break the wall of Bastille Palace, but they sold the pieces of the stones of the Bastille Palace into the market, keep it in their houses in the memory of these incidents, and they started to celebrate it as their freedom. That's much in this video, more in the next one. Have a great day. Thank you all of you for listening me. Thank you to all of you for listening me. Have a great day.